In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Intel graphics drivers in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is go over to your browser of choice. I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this example, and you want to type in Intel driver and support, and then you just want to go to this driver support assistant right here. Then what we want to go ahead and do is go ahead and download and install the utility. We're going to download it, install it right there, accept and install. If any prompt comes up, go ahead and press yes on it. And then it's going to be installing for you. Wait for the installation to go ahead and finish. Once launched, it's going to scan your laptop and show notifications if a graphics driver update is available. And then all you got to do is once it's open, click download, and then you're going to be able to click install. So I'm going to install this, and then yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.